Good day, I'm Dave Robertson, and did you know that in the city of Ottawa, you're not allowed to have an open flame campfire in all parts of the city? In fact, there are only certain neighborhoods in which you are allowed to have an open flame campfire. Now, for my family, we're fortunate to live in the west end of town in the village of Richmond, and here we are allowed to have a campfire, but we still have to follow the other requirements, such as the type of fire pit enclosure you have, and you also have to pay attention to when there's a fire ban on. But otherwise, on a nice evening like today, we're good to go to enjoy some nice s'mores together. If you're thinking about moving and a campfire would be nice to have at your next home, follow the link provided. It'll show you a full list by the City of Ottawa with maps on which neighborhoods are allowed to have campfires and the other requirements to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dave Robertson, your real estate professional for life.